Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video, we are going to cover the solution of GDP of the subject IT430 and which has labeled with the name e-commerce. So, its last date of submission is 31st July 2022 and it will remain open for 3 days. So, let's start reading GDP topic. Then we will approach to the solution of this GDP. Mr. Ahmed owns a successful business of essential oils. He is well aware of the challenges. He is well aware of the challenges of the modern era and benefits of e-commerce. He decided to shift his business to e-commerce, and for this he hired a professional team to run the business in the e-commerce environment. But the sales goes down as compared to the traditional business because customers did not feel comfort, comfortable purchasing these items without feeling their aroma. So, what is the situation that Mr. Ahmed, who was successfully running a business in traditional way of professional life, but he is very well aware of the challenges of the modern era and he also knows the benefits of e-commerce. So, under this situation, he decided to put his business on e-commerce line, means online, and for this purpose he is going to hire a professional team to run and manage the affairs of the business in e-commerce environment. But unfortunately he experienced a drop in the sales when he compared it with the sales that he made in traditional business way, means in physical shop or store, because the customers are not happy with the purchasing of these items even they don't feel their aroma or fragrance. In your opinion, what is the root cause behind the sales decreases of Mr. Ahmed's e-commerce business? GDP asking you highlight the root causes that become the cause of decrease in the sales of Mr. Ahmed's e-commerce business and justify your answer with solid reasons. And the reason or root cause that you are going to be outlined in your answer must be justified with solid reasons. It means it is not just the lip servicing. You have a strong arguments to support your root highlighted you. Okay, so please read out all this instruction by yourself and understand it before attempting the solution. Let's move to the solution. Root cause behind the sales decrease. So this is according to me. If you want to add something into it, or you want to alter something, or you want to delete something, or you want to add from your own side, so welcome and drop your suggestion in either case in comment section. So let's start. In my opinion, UI and UX issues. UI means user interface and user experience. Website designs and its functionality is not comfortable regarding user interface and user experience. It means that when user open or read the concerned website of Mr. Ahmed, he didn't impressed by his visual impact. And further, when people are not impressed by his visual interface, then they drop to use it. And if someone likes to use it, then there is a navigation problem. Information on the interface pages is not in a good way or understandable way. So, in my opinion, it may be an issue. SEO related issue or causes, on internet or in the world of internet, especially in the environment of e-commerce businesses. SEO is very important. If you are failed to uh, develop your website and its related content as per the rules and principles of SEO, so you are not succeeding in running your business in e-commerce environment. That's the same thing I have discussed in option 2 and root cause 3. This is the root cause 3. Please mark it as 3 and proceed with the next number in upcoming headings. Irrelevant or poor product contents as you see, as you know and see in your daily life, people visit the physical shop or store and they pick up the product and read about the instructions and sometimes they open it or if it's essential oils and use some little drop in the form of little drop to feel its efficacy and its aroma or fragrance. But uh, in e-commerce environment, customer has no such facility. So what happen? The, if your product description, title, specification is not outlined in a more attractive way, people drop their interest in that product. This is one of the another reason from my side. Untrained staff, as referring to our scenario as described in GDP, he hired a professional team, but actually they are not professional in their work. Let's suppose he has hired a content writer, or he has hired a graphic designer, or he has hired a video editor, or he has hired a digital marketer. So they are not well trained to uh, make a plan or design a plan that play an important role in promoting volume, sales, and ultimately sales volume. Another root cause is bad outsourcing. If maybe he approached a web designer and developer to develop a website, e-commerce website for his business, but he is not aware of well very he, that person is not very well aware about the uh, deep knowledge of how to design website and develop website. So this is the another root cause of drop in sales of the Mr. Ahmed's e-commerce store. Unaware about the competitor moves, and it is very important. Maybe he didn't get any research on this topic that how many competitors are in the e-commerce market due to his products or his line of products, So he didn't get any knowledge regarding the strategies and the market share of his competitor. What kind of strategy they are going to use in the market. So it may be one of the cause route. So in next poor market segmentation, maybe he is approaching a wrong market segmentation. It is very important before launching the product on online to make a market segmentation to whom you are going to target for the sales of your product or product line. Fail to get organic traffic. Organic traffic is totally based on SEO. So if you are not organize your Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and other sources as per the SEO rules and principles. So your e-commerce website fail to attract more organic traffic. Let's move to the next point. No reason between marketing and sales. As you know that marketing strategies or your marketing plan is very crucial in generating sales. Sometimes what happens, the marketing strategy that you have designed and implemented not fulfill the target as you set in case of sales. So you revisit your marketing design and align it with your sales target to achieve your goal. So I repeat it here, poor working conditions, so I will delete it from here. So quality of product, maybe the quality of product of your business is not as superior or uh, compatible with the products of your competitors, so it may be another cause. Poor customer relation management. Customer service or center fails to reply queries of the customers or consumers, which become the cause of drop in sales volume. And poor working condition means the environment where the staff is working is not as good as per the requirement of employees. Let's suppose the machines that are given to the staff is not matching with the modern era, or it is sometimes obsolete, or not also go with the pace of the internet as well. So I hope you have understand this solution in a more easy way. If you like this solution and found this solution useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button too. Thanks for watching. If you want the solution of this file, I will mention my WhatsApp number in description. You can approach me. Thanks for watching. Assalam.